Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a pretty spectacular car right here, 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner 383 with the air grabber, and it's a pistol grip 4-speed. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, see about 100 photos of this car, and get the price. But not only this car, we have a few hundred collector cars on there, all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first to see them as they come out. Right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin in a pistol grip Roadrunner. Underneath the car, really clean. The floors, the frame rails, the rockers, nice clean metal, all painted a nice satin black. The gas tank and the straps that hold it in, sending unit, that looks new. The front end looks like it's all been rebuilt. The bushings, all the components are clean and all looks new. Exhaust system looks very recent, has the crossover pipe, has the right tips in the back. It is the VIN number matched 4-speed that's in there. It's a genuine 4-speed numbers matching transmission. The 383 motor that's in there is a correct replacement. It is a 1970 383 motor. The casting numbers and dates are down on the side of the block. We checked that out and took pictures of it. So bottom of the car, real nice. The body is excellent. I like fit and finish. The gaps are all nice and square. All around here, nice and square. Everything fits nice. It's flush. Bottom of the fenders are clean. I opened the door already, and the bottom lip on the door is clean. It's had full quarters. I looked up in here with a flashlight. They put quarters on at the factory seam, so it's all metal quarters. So the body is excellent. It has the stripes, obviously, the satin finish stripes on the hood. It's got hood pins. Has what they call the dust trail stripe on the side. That was in 70 only, I believe. You got the Roadrunner with its little dust trail going all the way down. I think that's really cool. The paint job is limelight green, called sublime green on a Dodge, and it's polished out really nice and glossy. There's some little pieces of dust, little tiny imperfections that won't ever bother anything. You could wet sand it a little bit more and get it out, but it's better than the factory paint job. It's a really nice, glossy, smooth finish. I didn't see any bubbles, no cracks, no touch-ups or nicks or anything like that. The chrome looks like it's redone. Actually, all this stainless trim looks new. The vinyl top is new. Door handles are new. Rear bumper's new. The bumper guards are a pretty rare option. Those are original. They show a little bit of patina. Rear windows original. It's got the steel rims with the poverty hubcaps. The back wheels look like they are a little bit bigger, or maybe just the tires bigger. It's a new vinyl top. There is a wrinkle right here. You can push down on it, so it just didn't stick. Just one little wrinkle. Mirror looks new. The windshield is new. It has turn signals at the back of the hood there. And we'll demonstrate the air grabber in just a few minutes when I start it up. The front end, the bumper is new, and the grille looks like it's all new. All this argent silver and the trim all looks fresh. Has the correct antenna. Very nice motor compartment. There's that air grabber system. It's complete. It opens and closes. There's a switch. You can shut it off in the rain, or otherwise it opens when you give it the gas. All the components are nice. First of all, the whole engine bay, real nice clean metal. Nothing looks like it was wrecked or twisted or fixed up. Has the original trim tag right here. It's a factory air grabber car too. It's right on the trim tag. Also, the VIN number up on the core support matches the car. Door jambs are painted real nicely. They cleaned up the latches, new weather strip, new sill plates. I sat in the car, and the first thing you notice, the bucket seats feel nice and firm, so they got new cushions, new upholstery front and back. Trunk compartment, real clean. I said they put new quarters, and it's also a new trunk pan. It's not patched up. It's one big trunk pan, and it's all painted green. The housings are painted, the latch is cleaned up, the wiring is wrapped up. It does have a jack and a spare. It has new weather strip. So nice clean trunk compartment. It has what they call the buddy armrest, because you can flip this up and you can fit 3 people in here like a bench seat, or you flip it down, you got a nice cushion armrest. The instrument panel is all real nice. It has the original AM radio, the gauges, nothing's cut, broken. Actually, the gauges, the faces of them, they look new, so they might be new or restored. It has the pistol grip coming out of the floor. New door panels with new chrome armrests. Back in here, the wiper motor looks fresh. All the wiring is run neatly. It does have head bin headers. It's got a Mopar radiator with the shroud. The washer bottle, I don't see any fluid in it, but it is hooked up to the squirters. It does have power steering. So why don't we fire this thing up? It's Monday morning. This thing has been sitting in here since Saturday. This will be a cold start. Hopefully it won't embarrass me. Now I can embarrass myself all on my own by not finding the right key. There we go. There are a couple pumps of gas. Gotta warm up. It's quite warmed up enough yet to idle on its own. There we go. I noticed the air grabber's not working. It was working in the pictures they just took. So I'll find out what's up with that. It's all complete. It's all hooked up. I'll have that looked at. Maybe we'll add some video footage of that working. Door shuts nice. Got a nice sound out the back. The motor's smooth and quiet. Turn signal works. The back of the hood. I didn't finish talking about the interior. The headliner is really nice and tight and new, and the dome light works. The carpet looks new. The visors and mirror look like they're original. They have a little bit of patina. So anyway, a really nice car. I'll figure out why the air grabber didn't work, because that's a really cool feature. But we'll get that going. Go to volocars.com if you have any questions or concerns about the car, about the financing, about the delivery. We can help with all of that. It's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.